Good morning, children. Welcome to the English class. So, children, today we are going to start with the topic conjunctions. We will study this topic in detail and understand it. Children, what do we mean by conjunctions? So, the definition of conjunctions are words which join words or group of words or sentences. They are called conjunctions. Now, let us see few examples of conjunction words like and, or, but, because. These are four basic conjunctions words, so we will study them in detail. Usage of conjunctions. So children, we will understand how can we use different conjunctions like and, or, but, and because. What is the right way to use them in the sentences? Now, we use and to join words or sentences. For example, Jack and Jill always stay together. So, the word and is working as a connecting word. That is why it is called conjunction. Now, let us see the next one. We use or to show choice. Now, whenever we want to make choice between the two things, we use the word or. For example, should I drink milk or juice? This is something that we are asking to ourselves. Like if I am in the confusion that should I go for milk or juice, so this is the choice I have to make. Next is but. We use but to show difference. For example, Ria likes to dance, but Priya likes to sing. So, the difference when you are showing in the sentence among the two people or the two person, that is called that particular word but works as a conjunction. Next, because. We use because to explain why something happened. For example, Rohan switched on the fan because it was hot. So this word, this sentence show us that Rohan opened the fan because the reason was that he was feeling hot. It was hot day. So that is the reason. So the word because is working as a connecting word conjunction when it is required to explain that something happened. Okay, children, in this slide, we will see the sentences, examples of some conjunctions that are used in the sentences. See the first one. Jack and Jill went up to the hill. So the word and is working as a joining word. It is helping between Jack and Jill to join the sentence, to join the word. Next, I am angry because he pushed me. So the word because is telling here, it is giving the reason, the explanation why something happened. So why he's angry? The reason he's angry because the other person pushed him. Now some exercise time to do which are based on conjunctions. So let us see the first one. Underline the conjunctions. So these are the four sentences that are given. So you can do the same. You can copy them in your English notebooks and you have to underline the conjunctions in the sentences. Let us see the first one. She is poor but she is kind. So this sentence is telling about a girl that she is poor but at the same time she is also very kind hearted. B. You can buy a pen or pencil with this money. So in this sentence, they are giving you the choice to choose one among the two. C. The clown looks funny, but because he is wearing a colorful dress. So they are telling you, they are giving you the reason, they are giving you the explanation why the clown is looking funny. Next, Tom and Mary are best friends. So they are telling you about the two person that they are best friends. So you have to underline the conjunctions. Children, in this slide, you will circle the conjunctions and you can do the same work in your English notebook. Let us see the first one. My favorite colors are green and brown. B. I like bananas and you like apples. C. She will go to Jaipur or Delhi on vacation. D. I was absent because I was not well. E. The house is small but comfortable. Okay, students. Now let us see in this slide. It is fill in the blanks with suitable conjunction. So the four basic conjunctions that we have done, we will do the revision of the same. You can do the fill in the blanks in your English notebook. First, you must eat food dash you will fall ill. So in this sentence, they are telling you about that how important is to eat food dash you will fall ill. In case if we do not have the food, it will make us fall ill. B. She is old dash weak. They ate a lot dash they were hungry. D. I ordered a burger dash it was burnt. Right? So you can think about the conjunctions, the four conjunctions that we have done, we have revised, and you can fill them accordingly. In this slide, fill in the blanks using and, but, or because. You can read it and you can copy the same in your English notebook. First one, I like to eat healthy dash I find it very difficult. So you need to think about the sentence, then what is the right appropriate conjunction you will use here. B. He took me to a shop dash bought me a new dress. C. He threw away the paper dash it was dirty. D. You must study for the test dash you will fail. You must have heard this a very common sentence your parents must be using with you at home also, that you must study for the test dash you will fail. Alright children, in this slide you can see they have given you that join the sentences with suitable conjunctions. There are 5 sentences. You have to use the correct conjunctions in the sentences. Look at the first one. You can play, you can study. B. She can sing, she can dance. C. Suhana is short, Suhana is chubby. So what they are telling you in this sentence, they are only talking about a girl, the same girl who is short and chubby also. D. They took him to the hospital, he was sick. So in this sentence, they are giving us with the reason, the explanation that something has happened. Sam is tall, Sam is smart boy. So they are talking about the same person who is tall also and smart also. So you have to use the conjunctions wisely while joining the sentences. Thank you children. Hope you enjoyed learning conjunctions. Have a nice day.